negative or very, very low. You okay with metabolism?
Yes.
Okay, get out your packet of pen, go back a page. Find the thiamine case study. Let's find the thiamine, the next one, previous one. Okay, this one has a little cultural healthcare thrown into the mix, plus some botany. I like this one. Okay, so this one has to do with some nutrition. Thiamine is also known as called vitamin B1. So if you hear vitamin B1, thiamine, they're all the same beast. And if we go down to the case history, let's walk through what happened. They're talking about Malaysia. I've never been there, so please don't ask me specifics. Someone's boring could ask me, so I don't know. But let's go through. There's 2 people in Malaysia in this case study. You have the Malays, the Tamils, I think is how it's pronounced, and the Chinese. So you can be a Malay, you can be a Tamil, or you can be Chinese. And what does everyone in Southeast Asia eat? Rice. That's their main diet. Everyone eats rice. However, they eat different kinds of rice, and they have different problems. So let's go through. The Malays grow their own rice and dehull it. So they eat dehulled rice. Okay. The Tamils, parboiled rice. Okay. Nifty. What did the Chinese eat?
White rice.
Polished white rice. Can't say that. Sound like an ethnic joke. Polished white black. White rice. Right? I can't say it. White rice. Okay. So they ate rice, but they're eating different types of rice. Now we go down a little later. They looked at thiamine deficiency. So how much thiamine they had in their body. So there's no deficiency in the Tamils. There are some in the Malays, and there's a high deficiency in the Chinese. So in other words, Chinese don't have enough vitamin. Malays are kind of borderline. Tamils are fine. Same nutrition, same place, different things. Okay? So flip the page over. We have to do question 1 to figure out the rest of the case study. To understand question 1, you have to understand your vitamins. So let's go through our vitamins. He says, thou shalt know the vitamins of the body. Thou shalt, thou shalt. There are 2 camps. What are the 2 classes of vitamins?
Water-soluble.
Yeah, very good. Water-soluble and fat-soluble. Okay. Where do I find water-soluble vitamins? That's an example, but where do I find them?
Leafy.
In water.
Water.
Right? Anything liquid would work. It's not a hard question. Where do I find fat-soluble vitamins? They're in fat. So these are hydrophobic, hydrophilic, right? All that kind of stuff. So you have to know which ones are which. Let's do the fat ones first. They're easy. Anyone know the fat-soluble vitamins?
D.
A, D, E, and K. A, or DECA, some people argue. So name some water solubles for me. B, C. Anything that isn't A, D, E, K. Thiamine, niacin, B6, B1, B12, B11. Anything that isn't A, D, E, K becomes a water-soluble vitamin. So the best way to learn those is learn the fat ones, and if you're not one of them, you're something else. So let's go through and know what they for. Okay, vitamin A from last term is for what? Yeah, rhodopsin. Vision. Vitamin D from first term was for calcium absorption. Vitamin E from first term is for what? Collagen. Very good. Skin. Vitamin K from last term. Clotting. So vision, calcium, collagen, clotting, or however you want to phrase that. Okay, all the water solubles actually all do the same thing. There's no difference. What's all of their jobs? It's the same. What is it? What was it? Produce energy? Yeah, metabolism. It's the specifically the metabolism enzymes. Their job is to help you make energy and all that fun stuff.
Does that include being like co-transport?
Yep.
Okay.
Co-transport enzymes, coenzymes, channels, gradients. So A, D, E, K have a specific job. These are all sort of the same ballgame. So now let's go back to our case study. It asks you, can you store thiamine? So which type of vitamin was thiamine again? It was a what?
Water soluble.
Water soluble, B1. Can I store water?
No.
No. Where does your extra water go? In your pee. If it were ADEK, could I store it?
Yes.
Yes, because I have lots of fat on my body. Touch me, prove it. Okay? But you can store fat soluble. You cannot store water. If you don't believe that, go pop 50 friend some vitamins, watch your urine change color.
Is that why they say you can overdose on the fat
Yes,
soluble
because you
ones,
can
but
store
not
these
the water
in
ones?
There's actually what they call acute toxicity, which is if you took like mountains of these pills, you could quickly have something, but in terms of long term, no. These ones can build up. So, question 1, can you store thiamine? No. Why? It's water soluble, you pee it out. So, understanding that, your job, 2 through 7. Have fun. We'll talk about it in about 10 minutes. You want to go back and read the paragraph on thiamine again and have this really quick.
Because they took all the thiamine. Because the Chinese have, it's polished white rice, they keep everything out. No, parboiled, because it sounds like that. The dehold, yeah, only had a little bit. It sounds like the thiamine's in the hole.
You know, they did like white rice.
Just let me
in.
I'm going to beat the hell out of you.
So I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that why if you take a lot of like medicine, it doesn't do anything for a drug screen? Because you just pee it all out, or like marijuana is fat soluble?
That's right. Yep.
We have a lot of kids at my work who use that.
I'm going to pop Flintstones and I'll here's this.
Yeah.
I mean, initially, if you took it like half an hour before you went in there, you might see something. But take it in the morning, by afternoon, it's all. You just eat it. Yeah, THC is fat soluble, so it stays in your system. You throw the whole rice in, you put the lid on, you boil it, basically uncover pop.
Yeah.
That's right.
Because this one you're removing just one layer. You're not removing anything. You're removing.
Well, you know what? Maybe that's why, like the parboiling, because they're boiling it, so they're keeping.
I think the thing they're trying to get around is
You have the
boiling
hull
it.
too, and they're only boiling
There's no
Right, but I
biological
mean the
reason.
boiling the water, all the everything stays in there.
Yeah, so you don't chew on someone's.
So,
Yeah. But in terms of nutrition, no.
but that one's just
Whatever is being.
Don't stir your rice, don't make it sticky. Otherwise, don't wait it.
Doses. Well, that has to do with
What
the
kind of rice? There is some
ketones.
rices that are.
And the ketones were made from burning fat.
With bloodlet and. That's
Yeah, because thiamine prevents.
That's what makes them more sticky. That's what like restaurants do. They don't want to get salty, so they can wash it. But you get nutritional value. But if it's white rice, it doesn't matter. There's no nutrition. With brown rice, then you're sort of eating.
Yeah.
You can argue it's finished. Yeah, they're doing it so it doesn't stick. That's why you don't stir the rice. And